What's going on, guys? I want to focus on the left-hand side of the chart, okay, over here. Looking at the 1 hour time frame. And the reason why I want to look at the 1 hour time frame is I want to get today's low and I want to mark it out. Um, I also want to mark out today's high, okay? So today's high, today's low, this is the range. I can take this off now. This is the range that I'm going to be focusing on for tomorrow, 22,780 to the downside. If we break, retest, and hold, that is a short position. Let's play that down into the 10 SMA. Right now, we're teeter-tottering back and forth over this daily 5. Now, the daily 5 SMA is your shortest, nearest term sentiment. So typically, whoever controls the daily 5 intraday controls the price action. So as today, as we started to work down into that daily 5 SMA, the price action was getting weaker and weaker and weaker. There was one opportunity right here, okay? So right here around 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time where we did sweep and bounce. That sweep and bounce did not hold, rejected at the VWAP, and then finally we got that flush. Now again, whether it be because of the news with Trump and the tariffs with Japan and so forth, doesn't really matter, guys. It's still got to go through your technical levels. So if any bounce gets rejected between 900 and 979, 980, and falls and loses 22,780, we need to be short. If the market's going to recover, I want to see at least 1 or 2 candles to close and hold. Okay, 1 or 2 hour candles to close and hold over this daily 5. From there, I need to see us reclaim at a bare minimum 22,930. Okay, so 22,930 at a bare minimum needs to be reclaimed before we can go long. We can take that into 970, 980. Anything over 980, I think we're going to clear out this overnight price action all the way up to 300 or 23,000. Very, very easy. Okay, then we would be pushing all-time highs. But if anything starts to, get weak in this area, okay, in this zone, and it starts to maybe sweep this area and then close back below, that's your opportunity to short this into the middle of the range. Now, if we just kind of dance around all night and we really don't do anything going into the 8th, July 8th, tomorrow, and we start to get weak and we flush off the open, there's going to be an opportunity for a quick scalp down into this daily 10, and then I would look for a reversal bounce off of this 22,660 area. Okay, that's going to be the game plan for tomorrow. The only other levels between right now and tomorrow's open that I'm going to mark out is going to be pre-market high and low. That's it. From midnight to market open, New York time, I will mark out that swing high, that swing low, and I will play in between those zones. So even if we're outside of these ranges, I will mark them as well on the charts, and I'll use those as zones to play alongside my 20 SMA and my VWAP plays. Again, hope this helps you guys. I'll see all of you guys on the dance floor tomorrow.